Hello, Business Finance 330. This is Professor Hassey. It's Sunday afternoon, March 15th, and I just wanted to update a little short video here updating our session, our WebEx session of yesterday, just to go over a couple of details to help you in your final examination work of this next week. What I'd like to show you first of all is our Blackboard site here. There it is right there. And I want you to first of all concentrate on the WebEx link file folder right there. Open that up and you'll see the recording that I did yesterday of our session. If any of you want to go back through that, you just go to this link, click on play recording, and it'll play on your screen at home. Also, here is the WebEx session link for next Saturday at 10 o'clock. Again, this is a voluntary class that we're going to have to review any questions or concerns about the final examination. If you want to join me next Saturday morning, you click on join that meeting and you'll be there. If you go to week number 6 file folder, again, there's another copy of the WebEx recording of yesterday. If you go to the morning session file folder, click on that, and you'll see week 6 in-class spreadsheet. This is the spreadsheet that I did yesterday of the template of calculating the weighted average cost of capital. That's the final spreadsheet that we did on the WebEx session yesterday. You can download that and use that as a template in some of your work. Also in that week 6 file folder is some reviews of chapters 10, 11, 12, 13 with WAC, weighted average cost of capital, but I think that spreadsheet that we did in class will suffice, and then some additional information about chapter 13. So there's that in your Blackboard file folders. Let me get through this so I don't get you seasick here. And then if you go to week number 7 file folder, we have a WebEx session this coming Saturday, as we already discussed, but also here is some review of the key sections of chapters 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19, which is the last section in our final examination. Chapter 15, talking about the initial public offering of stock, which is the offering of stock and raising capital for first-time corporations. The definition of capital structure in Chapter 16. How companies pay out dividends to the shareholders in Chapter 17. What is financial planning in Chapter 18. And Chapter 19 about long-term planning. More specifically, what you should concentrate on is Section 19.3, sources and uses of cash in your textbook. All these concern specific problems in the final examination that you can review or use as your research to answer those questions. And again, I give you some information about our course concluding, when to expect your grades. Another financial fact, which in some respects can be very interesting. This video you might want to look at after the course concludes. Remember, I'll be keeping Blackboard open, but this video of how the economic machine works is a very good video that summarizes how the economy works in regards to capital, in regards to finance, and be a nice review of the final section of our class, and something that you might be interested in reviewing. Again, don't forget your portfolio work. That's going to be posted along with your final examination. So again, this is additional details and information that you can use in studying for your final examination. I will be available all week. Should you decide to have any questions or concerns, please feel free to call on me. We can do WebEx sessions, we can do emails, we can do text messaging, all that's available. So please take advantage of that if you need it. And then I will be available next Saturday at 10 o'clock. I will be posting all the grades and have them available at the end of next week. And so post your work. I'll get the grades as soon as I can and get that information out to you once you complete your course evaluations. So I guess you could call this an adios video for the term, a rather haphazard way of ending a term, and I again apologize for that, but these are troubling times and we have to deal with everything. So I want to wish you all a good week this coming week. If you need anything, let me know, and maybe I'll see some of you on the WebEx session next Saturday. If not, I know I will see a lot of you down the road on campus and in other activities. Thanks, everybody. Have a good Sunday, and we'll talk to you later.